Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes. Back again with another crypto update. And today we're going to be talking about Uniswap, Polkadot, and Cardano, starting it off with Uniswap, which just launched its v3.0. A lot of people were wondering about how good it is or what exactly is happening because it went down. Well, right now, Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, has posted that Uniswap's Uni should become an Oracle token. Vitalik has proposed that Uniswap's Uni should become an Oracle token for a successful DeFi ecosystem. Chainlink is great, but there is room for an alternative solution according to Buterin. And I think that's quite interesting, noticing that Uniswap was extremely popular the last couple of days, and with their big upgrade just happening, yeah, people are generally quite excited about it. And he basically explained that efficiency of an oracle is not important, said Buterin. An inefficient oracle can always be augmented with a game where one party claims a value, and only if another party disagrees is the oracle actually called. Cost of attack, on the other hand, is absolutely essential to maximize, and thus market cap is key. In all, the move would also be beneficial for Uniswap, according to Buterin, because Uniswap heavily benefits from the existence of a more robust stablecoin ecosystem, he said. Uniswap v3 is heavily optimized towards ultra-high capital efficiency for stablecoin to stablecoin trades, and is likely to earn very high amounts of fee revenue from these trades. So if we start to also see high volume and robust synthetic assets emerge on chain, then this is even more valuable for Uniswap, Buterin concluded. So it's interesting. There's no response to this one just quite yet, but it's basically just a proposal to switch it over. And again, in short words, Buterin said several areas of DeFi, including algorithmic stablecoins such as DAI, synthetic assets, and collateralized loans, depend on a price oracle, and Uniswap/Uni should step in to provide such an oracle because that's basically their whole model. That's basically what they do. He has a point. I don't really think it's too strange for him to say that. Then Uniswap actually flips Bitcoin on daily revenue, and it's more impressive than you actually think. Liquidity provider for Uniswap liquidity provider fees for Uniswap have surpassed Bitcoin network revenue on a 7-day average. Uniswap has flipped Bitcoin in fees. Wouldn't surprise me if market caps were eventually too. So right now it's Ethereum number 1, Uni number 2, and Bitcoin number 3. And again, here you can see there's tons of crypto projects. Which ones are people actually paying to use? And Uniswap v2 in this sense has actually hit the top right now. Uniswap v2 LP fees finally passed Bitcoin network fees on the 7-day average. Would be even higher if crypto fees tracked v3, which is logical. And Meatboard says, how is this a good thing? Hayden says, this is swapping fees paid to liquidity providers, not Ethereum network fees paid to Ethereum miners, the high fees people are upset about. So it's pretty cool to see that. This is basically meaning it is being used a lot in that sense. Moving on, because we have more stuff to talk about. By the way, you can actually trade all three of these over on Bybit as well. ADA, DOT, and Uni. I just noticed that because I think it just got added last month. So that's pretty funny to have that on there. There's a link for that down below. Big round numbers in play for Bitcoin and Polkadot. Well, the only thing I want to say here about Polkadot is I think a lot of huge stuff is coming for this specific crypto, and I think a lot of people are sleeping on it. Right now, DOT is stuck at about $40 or so, but I think $50 for Polkadot is going to happen in the near future, and I keep telling people about it. It is not far away, it is not crazy, and I will speculate that it's going to happen. Here's, for example, one article that just came out. Polkadot incorporates Parasic to create complex automation and workflows. It's been added to the Polkadot relay chain. Parasic uses smart triggers to send alerts on transactions to traders, bridging the gap between chains and off-chain apps, or on-chain and off-chain apps. And Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and Binance all use Parasic, so it's just something which is bound to happen, but it's basically bringing these blockchains together, and it's just nice. It's just nice. Polkadot is developing and expanding. And also getting really, in the kind of the top of the big boys. Then, analysts on Cardano, if an altcoin can't do this, there's no point in holding it. Once more, guys, I'm extremely positive on ADA. If an altcoin can't outperform Bitcoin, then there's no point holding it. Can ADA outperform it? ADA outperform Bitcoin in a bull market? Well, all we have to say is I'm not sure if ADA is actually going to become the Ethereum killer. I'm not sure about that. Because in the end, you're not sure if it's going to be Polkadot, ICP, Matic, whatever. Is it going to be a layer 2, which is going to be the most important thing eventually? Is it going to be just a layer 1 that's basically going to overuse everything else? What is it going to be, right? And specifically, which type of project, if we're only talking layer 1s, is going to be, or only talking layer 2s, which one is going to be the most important? It's really hard to say because they all have some benefit to them. If we're just comparing Polkadot and Cardano with each other, they both have really good sides to them. They really do. But if we compare Ethereum to it, Ethereum is just grandfathered in. Do I think Ethereum is the best? No. But that depends on the way you view it. Has Ethereum got the most adoption? Has Ethereum been cleared furthest? And do they have kind of the highest chance of making it in the next couple of months? Yes. Does that mean another crypto won't overtake it? No. And I still believe coins like ADA can actually outperform it and will keep outperforming it. And there's still a lot of great stuff to come. I still expect a $3 ADA pretty damn soon here, as you most likely have already heard. Am I going leveraged on that? Most likely not. But I just wanted to quickly let you guys know that that is definitely happening. And by the way, this Bybit thing is just a platform where you can trade with leverage. So if you have, for example, $100, you can actually trade with $2,500 instead of $100. It's pretty damn cool. Check it out. Link it down below. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video.